Ka Dorbar mang tyngka Ïing Dorbar Thawain ke jila Meghalaya kan sdang ha kasau tarik uleber ar hajarar puar bat kan kutpat ha ka kenyau tarik uleber ar hajarar puar apa pentip ya kani ulampang ke Ïing Dorbar ba med ba lingdo ulang bah nyau sngi labu na benda government business ba lai sngi pat kan de ke private members business.
Had a business advisory committee attended by all the honorable members, the Deputy CM Bapak Stonton Song, leader of the opposition, Dr. Mukul Sangma, then Mr. Balajit Kupasanrem, MLA, Kong Amparin MLA, and the other officials from the Parliamentary Affairs and the Assembly Secretary as well. We decided that the budget session will commence on the 4th of March, Friday of this year, and it will continue till the 17th of March 2022. And that is where we're going to have about 7 days government business and about 3 days private members business. So that's all for the Business Advisory Committee.